Welcome back, everyone! In this video, we're transforming a Honda Vario 125 with a fully custom airbrush theme, inspired by titanium welding marks. This process is detailed, artistic, and technical. Let's get started. First, we begin with surface preparation. Every panel must be washed thoroughly to remove oils, wax, and residue. Any contamination can ruin paint adhesion. After cleaning, we sand each part using 800 to 1200 grit sandpaper. This opens the surface and improves paint bonding. Next, we apply epoxy primer. This helps cover imperfections and improves paint bonding. After it dries, we sand again using 1500 grit. This ensures a smooth surface for base color. Now comes the base coat. We use a pearl white or metallic silver. This helps enhance color reflections for the titanium tones. The base coat is sprayed in light, even layers. Avoid spraying too thick to prevent sagging or orange peel. Once dry, we move to layout and masking, using high-tack tape and vinyl stencils. We include angled accents and the Vario 125 logo. Mark the edges where the weld effect will go. Symmetry and spacing are everything here. Now we create the titanium weld effect. This mimics heat discoloration from TIG welding. Start with electric blue, then fade to violet. Then gold bronze and burnt orange near the outer edge. Use smooth passes and layer the colors gradually. To make it more realistic, we add small black dots along the weld line. These simulate molten carbon marks. Apply them with a micro airbrush or fine-tipped brush. Keep the size and spacing irregular for realism. After shading is complete, we slowly remove all masking. This reveals sharp edges and clean separation. Touch up any overspray or uneven areas by hand. Use fine brushes or tape remasking if needed. Now apply decals and logo. Some are painted, others are vinyl cut. Make sure alignment follows the curve of the panel. A crooked decal can ruin a clean layout. Next is the clear coat process. Clean the panels using tack cloth. Apply 2 to 3 layers of high gloss clear. Let each coat flash dry properly before the next. Glossy clear helps the colors pop and adds protection. After the clear coat cures, we wet sand using 2000 to 2500 grit. Then polish in stages, cutting, refining, and finishing. This brings out a mirror-like shine. Now the paint is fully protected and looks deep. Let's talk about materials. We used solvent-based automotive paints, epoxy primer, base coat, and 2K high solid clear. For tools, a dual-action airbrush, mini spray gun, and detail guns. Compressor pressure is set around 20 to 30 psi. This effect is loved in custom scenes. It gives a high-end, racing-inspired look. Great under sunlight or nighttime lighting. Ideal for shows, content creation, or daily riding. Airbrushing like this takes patience and precision. Start with simple fades before complex weld effects. Practice on flat pieces before full body kits. Use good quality paint and tools. And always allow proper drying time. That's the full process of our titanium weld airbrush, from blank panels to a professional custom look. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, hit like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next custom build.